Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can unsubscribe from Regal Unlimited. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. Visit the Regal Unlimited website and log in using your email address and password. Look for the My Account section, usually found in the top menu bar or your account dashboard. Within the My Account area, find a tab or link labeled Subscription Billing Plans or something similar. Once you are in the subscription or billing area, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. It might be a button labeled Cancel Subscription, Cancel Plan, or Downgrade. After clicking the cancellation button, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any cancellation terms or conditions carefully before proceeding. Once you have confirmed the cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message or email from Regal stating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. So that's basically how you can unsubscribe from Regal Unlimited. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.